And now really quick, I will also show you how you can make some aluminum based thin film battery. So for this battery, it's good if you use some aluminum tape. So here I have this aluminum tape, but if you don't have this tape, you can also use some aluminum foil. Then some separator, and here I also have this graphite. And the construction of this cell will be something like this. But because over here is possible that the positive and the negative electrode will touch together, for this reason I need to isolate one color of the aluminum with some tape. Like so. And now on the top I can put the separator. This separator I will wet with 1 mole of sodium sulfate. And for the positive active material, you can use also actually whatever you want. Because over here I use some manganese dioxide, which is mixed together also with some carbon black. And this stuff you can also find in some zinc carbon battery, which I showed you before. And now the entire cell I will seal with the tape. And the cell is ready. So let's measure the thickness. Oops. So this one is a little bit more thicker than this cell, so 0.8 millimeter. Okay, and now let's see what will be the voltage. And the voltage of this battery is 1.3 volts.